I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on bin cough syrup. Bin cough has ivy leaf extract in it. It is made by Bin Ismail Healthcare. This comes in 120 ml and the price for one bottle is 195 rupees. This contains English wine. English ivy is a wine. The leaves are used to make medicine. People most commonly take English ivy for cough and other lung problems. However, there is not enough evidence to know if English ivy helps. English ivy might stimulate mucous glands and have expectorant properties. This might improve lung function in people with difficulty while breathing due to swelling and blockage of airway passages. English ivy might also have antioxidant properties. It is used for bronchitis and liver disorders, spleen disorders, gallbladder disorders, gout, joint pain, skin wounds, nerve pain, ulcers, parasites and other conditions. This is a very natural extract and it is very safe to use by mouth daily for 1 week. And the instructions to use this syrup is for children below 5 years 2.5 ml 3 times a day, and for children 5 years and above 3 times a day 5 ml, and above 12 years 10 ml 3 times a day. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.